If you're coming to Bavaro Beach, this is what you want. We're outside 2079. This is one of 5 beautiful suites here at Barcelo Bavaro Beach. This is the washroom at the front door. I sometimes go into those first just because they're right there, but this room is so beautiful, I feel like I just need to take you into the space. So we've got a lovely sectional couch, your desk, television. Oh, you can start to get a glimpse of that beautiful oceanfront view. I will take you onto the balcony through the bedroom. Take a look back at this room and where we walked in from. So we walked in towards the back there. You've got the kitchen table. I'll say hi and wave in the mirror. Nice kitchen table in this room. You've got your Nespresso machine. And in these cupboards, you've got access to a microwave should you need one. This is just some storage space. And you've got a mini bar in here, which is stocked daily. We'll take you into the washroom space here. So you've got your rainwater shower head, your dispensers, your handheld nozzle, and then just beyond the door here, you've got a nice large vanity and toilet. So let's go check out the main bedroom. Just an elevated level of service here and space. So if you're here with your partner, you have access to both the living room and a bedroom space. Lovely king bed, beautiful fan. I love the little canopy above as well. Chair. You have access to another mini bar in the room. Again, this is stocked daily. Desk, mirror, television. You got some drawers to store some clothes. This is the bed. I'm eager to take you out to the balcony. I'll get to the washroom here in a moment, but this, oh, if you're coming to Bavaro Beach, this is what you want. The beautiful beach and the ocean are steps away. It's morning time, you've got the sun rising. You got 2 chairs and a table. It'd be lovely to get out here in the morning and watch that sunrise with a coffee, or perhaps you want to watch the sunset in the evening with your favorite beverage of choice. Head back into the bedroom space because I got a little surprise that I'm really excited to show you. Take another look at the room as we come in. And that surprise is hidden behind that blue curtain, and I'm really excited to show everyone what's there. But let's first start with the washroom area. You've got nice big double vanity, lots of storage space for 2 people. You've got your closet. One of the little perks of being in the premium level is that your beach towels are already in your room as you arrive. You got slippers, as well as a couple of robes. And in here, you have your toilet. On this side, you have another shower, the rainwater shower head, your dispenser, and the nozzle, handheld nozzle. This is what I'm excited to show you. What lies behind the blue curtain is the hidden balcony. And this has your own private jacuzzi, 2 chairs and a table. Gonna come around and you're gonna see that this hidden balcony also has a wonderful ocean view. It's gonna be a beautiful day here in Punta Cana. Gonna come around, you can see the balcony again. You got your jacuzzi. There's a better look at the two chairs and the table. And this is all out on your hidden balcony here in the beautiful suite at Barcelo Bavaro Beach. I'm gonna come back into the bedroom and we'll finish off taking a look at the living space one last time. Just a beautiful living room.